Hey friends, if you encounter the error WFP invalid operation blue screen error on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is to run the driver verifier tool. All you need to do is search for verifier in the Windows search bar and click on verifier. Okay, now select create standard settings, click on next, automatically select unsigned drivers, next, let it load the information and finally click on no unsigned drivers have been found. Next one is to update the drivers. Right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the Windows Update tab on the list on the left hand side, select advanced options, go to optional update, expand the list for driver updates, select the driver updates, click on download and install. The last solution is to perform a clean boot on your system. Search for system configuration in the Windows search bar and open system configuration. Go to the services tab. Check the box associated with hide on Microsoft services. If any of the service is checked, click on disable all, apply, OK, and then restart your computer. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.